you was. You're riding your four-wheeler one day, and you look back and you said, I got all the lives out of that tire. I probably should get some new ones. They're great for burnouts and donuts and all sorts of stuff, but traction, not one of them. So you started calling around to all the local places, and they were wanting $200–300 just for the rear set, and you're like, man, there's got to be a cheaper way. So you jumped on the old eBay, jungle website, whatever you're looking at, and you were like, you know what? I found these tires. Look at all that tread. Look at all that traction. $100. And you're like, by God, I bought them. So you called that same tire place back and you said, how much just to mount them? I'll bring them in. How much to mount them? And they were $25, $30, $40 a tire. You're like, dang, getting up there in price. So you did the right thing. You got back on the old interwebs and you found yourself a Harbor Freight tire changer. That's right. I know you did, because you're here. Why would you be watching this if you didn't? So I'm going to show you how to do it. Because why would you be watching this if you already knew how? But I appreciate you being here. So you'll need a few things. One, you'll need the tire off of the machine. Machine, tire, take it off. Okay, 14, 17, whatever you got, figure it out, take it off. You need the new tires. It's important. You don't have to have them when you're taking off, but reassembly helps a lot. You need your Harbor Freight tire changer, of course. It's some type of inflation device, whether that be a small pancake air compressor, an actual air compressor and a hose, or run down to the local gas station, spend $1.50 because it's not free anymore, and use that one to air your tire up. A Schrader valve tool also helps a lot. I don't have one either, so I'm going to show you how to do it without. Let's get to it. Okay, so first thing, you got to get all the air out of this tire. A couple of different ways you can do it. One, if you have a Schrader tool, go ahead and remove your Schrader valve. That's that little thing there with the button in the center. Press that, air comes out. You can take it out. That's the easiest way to do it. If you don't have that, like I don't, and you can find those at Walmart, online, wherever. Same thing. It's bicycle tire, car, four-wheeler. They're all the same. Or you can get yourself a screwdriver. Sit here, holding it. Keep holding it. Pay your cousin to do it. Whoever, kid next door. Pay him a couple bucks. Sit here and hold it the whole time. Or if you have some type of air chuck, by putting it on there and pulling that, it'll come out the end. So now that you got all the air out of your tire, see that little lip there? Put the rim on the inside of that there. Line your chuck up with the edge of the rim. You're gonna take your pole that came with it. It'll act like a cheater pipe. You want to push back on this and push down on this. Might have to put your foot there. Use that dish soap for a little bit of lube. So just keep applying constant pressure as you're working that bead down. But the best part is, now you get to do it again. And easy as that, right guys? Okay, so your Schrader valve needs to go up, slide it onto your deal here. Okay, get your wheel secured in there, and you want to take the duckbill in and go underneath the bead, and then you'll be pulling clockwise. So you want to be on this side of the center post. Take your duckbill in, pull up and just start working around. Okay, then same thing. Get your duckbill in there, pull back and up at the same time. Alright, so get your duckbill back underneath there. And sometimes these ATV tires, they just need a little assistance, so get yourself a pry bar. Now you have one unmounted tire. All right, you want to check your rim for corrosion. I got something built up on there. Get you a wire wheel, or I like these nylon, like sandpaper gasket wheels. So get you your new tire. Go ahead and check it. See if there is a rotational direction, and you'll want to put it obviously the right way. These are non-directional, so I want to go with DOT numbers out. Take your lube again. Get half the bead started. And you should be able to push your first one on. And when going back on, I suggest you get yourself a pair of vice grips. You want to turn them upside down, clamp onto the rim. That's going to act as a foot to help you put it on. Take your crow's foot, put it underneath. Keep dancing your way around until it falls on. And just like that, guys, you got a tire mounted. My tires came shipped like a triangle. Not the smartest, not the easiest. If your air can't get it, try a ratchet strap. Wrap it around it in the very center, crank it down. Hopefully push out the sides more to the inner lips, so it'll hold air, and then go. If not, careful now, a little bit of brake clean, fire and air, get you going, hopefully. I didn't know I bought balloon tires. I don't like how round they are, but here's what it is. All right, I got one more to go. I hope this helps you, at least gives you an idea on how to do it. There's 100 different ways to skin a cat. This is the way I do it. And I mean, just me doing it by hand, I bent the tire changer. So, each your own. Maybe go pay that $40 a tire or whatever it is at your local tire shop. Catch you on the next one.